Welcome to Quick Pick. Top 10 Best Voltage Converter Transformers High Quality 2023. Top 1. Siren Power Converter Regulator Stabilizer with 110 volt 220 240 volt built-in voltage transformer, 20,000 W, Air 20,000. 20,000 watt regulator with built-in 110 V 240V voltage transformer. Note this transformer will not work with two-phase 220-240 volt power, converts 110 120ths V to 220 240ths V or converts single-phase 220 240ths V to 110 120ths V compatible with 50 Hz per 60 Hz. This stabilizer can regulate big range fluctuating voltage into general voltage output, input voltage AC 75V 130V or 180V 260V output voltage, AC 110V ± 4% or AC 220V ± 260V, 5 outlets on front of unit, except US plugs and 2-prong Euro plugs, on-off switch. Thermal fuse, protects damage to your valuable equipment. Comes with terminal connectors, hardwire input required, 20,000 watts maximum capacity. Converts 110 120ths V to 220 240ths V or converts 220 240ths V to 110 120ths V compatible with 50 Hz per 60 Hz on-off switch with indicator lamp. Voltage stabilizer good for countries with unstable voltage supply. This stabilizer can regulate big range, fluctuating voltage into general voltage output. Top 2. Topo 10,000 watt voltage transformer 10,000 watt step up and down converter. Input voltage 110/120/220 240ths volt/AC selectable. Output voltage 110 volts or 220 volts/AC selectable. All range fuse protection, protects damage to equipment from voltage fluctuation. Simultaneous 2-mode output 120 volt, standard US outlet /220 volt. Universal outlet, does not come with instruction manual, must be installed by certified electrician. Measurements, 10 inches x 12.5 inches x 9.5 inches, WXLXH, net weight, 76 pounds. Item does not come with an instruction manual must be installed by a certified electrician made by one of the leading manufacturers in the industry. The Topo 8 series step-up/step-down voltage transformers offer you a safe, reliable, affordable and convenient solution to converting voltages from 110 to 120 volts up to 220 to 240 volts, or from 220 to 240 volts down to 110 to 120 volts for both home use and industrial applications. The Street 10.000 is rated at 10.000 watts maximum. It also uses a protective standard fuse for extra safety. The manufacturer recommends you purchase a transformer that is 25% higher than the wattage you need. You should know that you will never damage your appliance with a higher voltage transformer. However, if you buy one that is not powerful enough, it will not work. Remember to leave at least a 100% slack for the transformer. Top 3. Fuchoy Street 10,000 Heavy-Duty Voltage Transformer Voltage Converter 110V to 220V Step-Up-Down Transformer Voltage Converter. Product specifications: output voltage, 110V, voltage regulation speed, 1 second, when the input voltage changes 10%, frequency, 50 Hz per 60 Hz, current, 9A. To convert 110 volts to 220 volts? Make sure the appliance to be plugged in uses fewer watts than the transformer's rating. Insert the voltage tap plug, located on the rear of the transformer, into the pair of holes marked 110. Plug the transformer's power cord into a source of 110 volts. 220 volts will be available at the front panel outlet marked 220 volts when the power switch is turned on. To convert 220 volts to 110 volts? Make sure the appliance to be plugged in uses fewer watts than the transformer's rating. Insert the voltage tap plug, located on the rear of the transformer, into the pair of holes corresponding to the local voltage standard. Check carefully to be sure no error has been made. Reminder: the power of this transformer must be 2.5 times that of the buyer's electrical appliance to be used normally. Logistics service: our products are shipped directly from the United States. We have our own overseas warehouse and professional customer service team to reply you within 24 hours. Top 4. Light Fuse 15,000 watt heavy-duty voltage converter transformer, step up down 110/120/220/214 V, patented universal output socket, circuit breaker protection node. This unit needs to be hardwired. Heavy-duty industrial-grade, light fuse 15,000 watts step-up/down voltage converter transformer note. This unit needs to be hardwired. Converts Europe, Asia, Africa voltage 220/240 V down to 110/120 V, to use American USA appliances overseas. Built-in circuit breaker note. This unit needs to be hardwired. Note: this unit needs to be hardwired by professional, cannot be plugged into wall. Universal 220 V output socket, it will accept virtually any plug from around the world. Full grounded USA cord with a €3 plug note. This unit needs to be hardwired. 5-year light fuse warranty. 45 pounds. Unit dimensions: 13 inches x 18 inches x 10 inches step-up down voltage transformer functionality note. This unit needs to be hardwired. Top 5. Simon 8000 watt power converter voltage regulator stabilizer with built-in 110 volt to 220/240 volt step-up and down voltage transformer, AR 8000. 8000 watts regulator with built-in 110 V 240 V voltage transformer, converts 110/120 V to 220/240 V or converts 220/240 V to 110/120 V, compatible with 50 Hz per 60 Hz and single-phase 220/240 volt power. 5 outlets on front of unit. Outlets accept 3 or 2-prong US plugs and 2-prong Euro-Asian plugs. Input voltage AC 75 V 130 V or 180 V 260 V. Output voltage AC 110 V ±4% or AC 220 V ±4%. Fuse protected with built-in thermal fuse, protects damage to your valuable equipment from voltage fluctuation. Comes with terminal, connectors, hardwire input and output required. Transformer purchase guide. Remember to leave at least a 100% margin for power surges spike when buying a transformer. For laser printers, power tools and appliances with heating and cooling, you must leave a power spike margin of 3 times then rated wattage. Top 6. Straight 10,000 8000 W voltage transformer converter 110 V to 220 V step-up down heavy-duty transformer voltage converter, power converter circuit breaker, home use and industrial applications, black. Product parameter: output voltage, 110 V. Product capacity, 4 kVA/5 kVA/7.5 kVA/10 kVA. Frequency, 50 Hz per 60 Hz. Insulation class, Class B. Working temperature, -5 Celsius plus 40 Celsius. Temperature rise protection, yes. Current, 9A. Two-way conversion. The voltage transformers offer you a safe, reliable, affordable and convenient solution to converting voltages from 110 volts up to 220 volts or from 220 volts down to 110 volts for both home use and industrial applications. Warm reminder: for safety, it's recommended by the manufacturer that the voltage transformer's maximum power should be equal or greater than the power rating of your appliance multiplied by 2.5. Wide application. This voltage converter transformer can be used for a wide range of imported appliances, including air conditioners, refrigerators, washing machines, computers, televisions, electric fans, etc. Satisfaction service. We have our own overseas warehouse and a professional customer service team to reply you within 24 hours. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. If you encounter any problems, do not refund and complain. First contact me through Amazon to solve it for you, and including replacement new goods or parts, compensation and provide return labels. Top 7. Light Fuse Lieutenant Series 5000 Watt Voltage Converter Transformer Step Up Down, 110V to 220V/220V to 110V Power Converter, Fully Grounded Cord, Universal Socket, CE Certified 5 years warranty. Universal Output Socket, equipped with an universal outlet which accepts plug from almost any country around the world and completely grounded from input to output for safe operation. Converting Boxstem technology, uses toroidal transformer for efficiency, noise-free operation and more compact voltage converter that's about half the size and less weight when compared to the traditional transformers. Fuse protection, protects your electronics and the transformer from power or voltage overload. The fuse will cut off the power to the transformer during overload and you can easily replace the fuse to reset the transformer. Light fuse transformers are designed with safety in mind and are CE certified and include industry-leading 5-year manufacturer's warranty. Heavy-duty step-up-down operation, convert 110/117 120ths VAC to 220/230 240ths VAC or 220/230 240ths VAC to 110/117 120ths VAC. Set the input voltage switch in the back based on the country's voltage and connect your appliance to the appropriate outlet in the front. Note that these transformers only convert the voltage and the output hertz frequency remains the same as the input. Top 8. ELCT 5000 Watt Voltage Converter Transformer, Step Up Down, 110V/220V, Circuit Breaker Protection 3 years warranty. Up to 5000 watt maximum capacity, heavy-duty step-up-down voltage converter transformer, 110/120ths V 220/240ths V. Note: this converter is designed only for European Asian 220V, single phase. It will not work with American 220, dual phase, not designed for US 220V, dual circuit breakers protection for each voltage, 120V and 220V, 2x 110V socket, 1x universal 220V socket, weight, 21 pounds, dimensions, 10.25 inches x 8 inches x 4.5 inches, CE certified, max, 5000 watt for 30 minutes use. For continuous use, 2500 W. Make sure you multiply x to the wattage of your item and get a transformer bigger than that. Warning: we do not recommend for high wattage heat producing items such as coffee maker, espresso machine, toaster and welding equipment etc. Top 9. Krieger 1150 watt voltage transformer, 110/120ths V to 220/240ths V step-up step-down voltage converter with AC outlets, MET approved under UL, CSA. 1150 watt step-up/down voltage transformer. This professional-grade voltage transformer can be used in 110-volt countries and 220-volt countries. It will convert from 220 to 240 volt to 110 to 120 volt and from 110 to 120 volt to 220 to 240 volt 50-60 Hz. Heavy-duty voltage transformers, step-up-down voltage converter that safely and easily converts voltages from 110-120V up to 220-240V or from 220 to 240 volts down to 110 to 120 volts for both home and commercial electronic devices like mobile phones, laptops, tablets, heating pad, CPAP machine, hair straightener, iPad, gaming console, small appliances and much more. Advanced protection, dual fuse protection, 110V 230V, fuses provide protection against overloading the unit past the rated capacity. Input selector to select the input voltage when stepping up from 115V to 230V or stepping down from 230V to 115V. This power transformer includes 2x spare fuses and on-off power switch with indicator light. Top 10. Step-down up transformer 220V to 110V, 3000W voltage converter 110 to 220 120V to 240V heavy-duty power transformer. 3000W step-up transformer 110V to 220V. Step-up voltage converter from 100V 120V to 220V 240V. The Zhangxi brand has 8 years of experience in the development and production of transformers, voltage regulators and regulators, with products sold to countries around the world and widely recognized. Pass CNC QC certification. Step-down transformer 220V to 110V. Two 220V multi-function output sockets and two 110V output sockets for appliances from Europe, UK, China, Korea, HK, Philippines, US, etc. For safety reasons, it is recommended that appliances not exceeding 2400W be used to prevent damage to the transformer and the appliances used. Upgraded 110 to 220 voltage converter. Unlike those large, bulky, sticky converters, this newly designed 110V/220V to 220V/110V converter doesn't produce noise, smell, heat. It's quieter, more efficient, and equipped with voltage display can more clearly see the output voltage. 120V to 240V step-up transformer. As we all know, in most cases the power consumed by the appliance at the moment of power on is the largest, so when choosing a transformer, please refer to 1.25 times the power of the appliance you need to use to choose the right transformer. For example, if your appliance is 800 watts, choose a transformer with at least 800 times 1.25 equals 1000 W. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe our channel.